Hello everybody, in today's video I'll show you how to search for remote jobs on FlexJobs step by step. FlexJob is a trusted platform for remote freelance and flexible jobs and all listings are hand screened to ensure legitimacy. Whether you're looking for full-time remote work, part-time gigs or freelance projects, FlexJob makes it easier to find real opportunities without scams. First you need to open to the browser and you can go to the official FlexJob website. In the top search bar, type down flexjob.com and enter it. And once you reach into this interface, at the top of the dashboard, you'll see the search bar also. You can type the keyword search for the remote jobs you want to apply, remote customer service, freelancing, writing, or virtual assistant. You can also filter by location right beside it, schedule and experience level to narrow down results. You can also choose your current location, work from anywhere, or work from anywhere in the world. And these filters help you find exactly what kind of remote work you want. And you can also review job listings over here. And in the left corner right over here, we can see this option for find remote, hybrid or flexible jobs. You can also select this option for the remote under location. You can select full-time, part-time or freelance. You can pick a career category like marketing, tech, admin, etc. And these filters help you find exactly the kind of remote work you want. And once you apply, FlexJob will show you a list of relevant remote jobs descriptions. You can check on each listing to read details like job description, requirements, and pay. Remember, all FlexJob listings are pre-screened, so you do not have to worry about scams. And that's how you search for the remote jobs on FlexJobs effectively. You can use any keywords carefully to get jobs best matches and always review the company before applying. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.